stop coughing. She has a sore throat. Does anyone have a Ricola?
Ricola Dual Action with a soothing syrup center for both coughs and sore throats. Naturally effective relief. Ricola!
14 reported cases of infectious sickness. This is a message from Hays County Emergency Management. This sickness is spread through close contact with those infected and can cause serious health risks. Wear masks when in highly populated public place and do not accept food or other items from strangers. Symptoms of this sickness include extreme fever, shortness of breath, nausea, frequent headaches, and red bumps on arms and legs. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms, please report to a doctor.